Stock number 6-33K. This is a February of 2007 Saab 9.3 station wagon. Can't let it run too long because it's got no coolant. But I just fired it up. There's no engine lights on, believe it or not. Even though it sounds like it's got a little bit of a vacuum leak, probably because the intercooler gets smashed. Which is also perplexing as to why the engine light's not on, but that's okay. Oh, no, there it is. Okay, there's the engine light. I'll check that in a second, get back to you, but this is a 6-speed stick. So, let's see. Yep. Forward and backwards works good. E-brake works nice. This has 94,336 miles. Let me see if I can get it to pop up here. Alright, where's the button? Okay, come on. Alright, I'll get back to you. Hang on. There we go. I just had to shut it off. 94,336. Alright, and I'll check the check engine light right now. Okay, so the check engine light is only one code. Let's see if you can see it here. It's a P0507. It's the idle air control system, RPM higher than expected. And that's the only engine light, mysteriously. So good drivetrain on this, definitely. And we got a lot of good body panels too. It just got hit in the front and the left side quarter. So there we go.